It's so important to start the day with a win. The positive feeling you get by starting the day with a win transfers positive momentum to everything you do for the rest of your day. So start your day in control of your mind by programming yourself to do the things that put you in control. Train your brain to go through the processes that work for you. Meditation, gratitude, a solid workout, prayer, whatever processes work for you. Suddenly, then, you are in control of the day. No matter what happens, you are in control. Because you're in control of your mind. And when you control your mind, you control your reactions. And when you control your reactions, you can find a solution for any problem. Imagine starting every day with that strength. Starting every day with several wins. You're up early, and you're up early with passion because the night before you've set an intention for all these things you're going to do that you're excited to accomplish today. You're up and ready to go. You've told your brain, I am in charge this morning. So there won't be any poisoning of the brain or unconscious habits like picking up the phone or checking emails. You've told the brain, that can wait. Right now, I am programming my mind for my strongest future by creating my very best self right now. Just by doing that, you've already had a win. You're in control, and that is a huge win. You might then meditate, releasing any stress in your body. Another win. Maybe then you'll spend 5 minutes writing down and really feeling everything and everyone you are really grateful to have in your life right now. Another huge win. Brings so much power to your day. We're only 25 minutes into the morning. Most people are asleep, and you've already had 3 wins. Maybe then you'll pray or read or set an intention for the day. How do you want to feel? How do you want to interact with others? What do you want to accomplish, and who do you want to be today? Another win. Maybe then you'll get a strong workout in. Who knows, you might even be able to push yourself for a PB. Can you go further than you've ever been? Faster than you've ever been? Lift more than you ever have? Go longer? Do something you've never done? How can you push yourself to pride this morning? That's how you grow. Continually pushing to another level. Another win. Maybe more than one. Maybe now you go home and have a cold shower. Remind your brain who is in charge today. You are. Your brain says, this is crazy, I don't want to do this. But you've done your research and you know this is good for you. You win the mental battle and claim another win. Now you're ready to start the rest of your day, but you're not the same person that started the day. Only 1-2 hours ago, you're already a different person. A better, stronger person. And you've started the day how everyone should. Winning. Your mind is strong, and you are stronger than yesterday, stronger than when you began this day. Imagine doing this every day. The growth, the expansion. Imagine the quality of life you'll be living. This is what winners do. They start the day in control. They start with a win, and they can win the life of their choice. Will you join us